I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open the Word file and go to the page you want to delete. Turn on formatting marks so you can see paragraph and page breaks. Use the navigation pane to confirm the page appears as a separate page. Click anywhere on that page to place the cursor where content exists. If the page looks empty, show hidden marks to find blank paragraphs and manual page breaks. Check for section breaks that can force an extra page and mark them visually. Select the page content manually or with Control plus A when focused on that page. Press Backspace or Delete to remove selected paragraphs and manual page breaks. Delete an explicit page break by selecting it and pressing Delete once. If paragraph marks remain, select them and press Delete until the page merges. For section breaks, delete only if layout changes are acceptable to you. Always preview the document. After delete, modify the paragraph spacing or font size of the final paragraph to remove an extra page. Change section break type to next page versus continuous when preserving layout. Save a copy before altering section breaks to avoid losing important formatting. To shrink a page, reduce spacing by 1 point or shrink the font by 1 or 2 points. Use page setup margins to reclaim small amounts of space if necessary. Finally, save the document and recheck the navigation pane to ensure the page is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.